Good morning, it's Servo Friday, the day where we reward ourselves for a good week's work with a trip to the servo, which is a gas station. And we're gonna do a smoko, which is kind of a tradie is a trade person's smoking break. It's kind of a 10 o'clock break where you have some pastry, coffee, and a smoke. Let's check it out. So much to choose from. Here. Container. It's a bit cold outside and it's also really noisy, but yeah, I found some crazy stuff. Check it out. It's a sausage roll. Hey, now you might be like, Thor, that's not a pastry. Yes, it is. Wait and see. Look, it's pastry. Yeah, and then there's some type of meat inside. Nobody really knows what that is. And then you might be like, oh, but you know, it's not a sweet pastry. Not quite. Because we got this barbecue sauce and it's full of sugar. To accommodate it all, the trucker's favorite, an iced coffee. Double shot. Pastry with sugar. Oh, see, it's like a glazing. So filling. Almost forgot something. Cheers, mate. There you go, folks. Pastry Friday. Hope you go to a gas station and get yourself a piece of pastry. You deserve it.